Hi, I'm Sean, Energy Products Distribution's installation trainer, and I'm here to welcome you to our 3M Automotive Window Film's Preferred Installer training. In this class, you're going to learn all the techniques to become a skilled window film installer, hand cutting, squeegee technique, as well as heat shrinking on curved glass. And we'll offer you ongoing support for if you get back to the field and you need assistance, I'm just a phone call away. You also have the opportunity to become one of 3M's Automotive Window Film's preferred installers upon completion of testing. So I'd like to welcome you to our next class, and I hope to see you soon.